I don't think anybody ends up on treatment court because they had a bad summer. I had a repeated pattern of relapse and I couldn't stay sober. The treatment court program absolutely saved my life. I mean, it helped me get my life back together and helped me to stay sober and move on to the next chapter of my life.
So they have a judge that runs treatment court up in Doylestown. She's amazing. She's in our Reentry Coalition meetings. I think that changes the game. When you have a judge who sits in these meetings and understands, and then you have people who come to these meetings and share their story, and the first person they look at is that judge and says thank you.
After going through the program, it's a relief because I actually got to see a side of the justice system that I hadn't prior. They are there to help you. And for me, that was extremely refreshing.
In my opinion, it's the best thing to ever happen to my son. It was a cycle, and this broke the cycle. My advice would be to give it time, give it a chance.
Being willing and being open-minded throughout this program was something that really benefited me. Not going into it with that mindset that these people are out to get me. Looking at the people that I know that have completed the program, it's pretty much the same story through and through, that it's a life-changing experience and that, they were so glad that they took the offer and accepted the program.
I was working as a nurse in home care. I had found myself struggling with substance use disorder, and I found myself in trouble legally. I had never been in trouble before. I was scared. I didn't know what to do. My lawyer had mentioned the opportunity of recovery court. There were a few peers that I had known that were familiar with it, and when I mentioned it to them, their feedback was absolutely do not do this program. I'm glad I didn't listen to those individuals. It was probably one of the best things that I've ever done.
The Bucks County Court of Common Pleas offers a voluntary treatment court program that serves two populations: individuals facing probation and parole violations, and individuals charged with new offenses who are sentenced to treatment court, or those who must complete the court as a condition of bail. These courts are designed to break the cycle of incarceration and institutionalization so you can lead a productive life in the community. They provide evidence-based treatment resources and support through a collaborative, community-based approach. This means that the judge, prosecutor, advocate attorney, and treatment providers work together to provide you a real opportunity for positive change. Bucks County currently offers several treatment court programs for individuals residing in Bucks County. We will review recovery court and wellness court tracks. You will experience ongoing interaction with your court team and receive attention to your educational and vocational goals. The programs take a minimum of 15 months to complete, and as you move through phases, you'll be given more freedoms. You have up to 5 years to complete the program. Recovery Court assists high-risk, high-need, nonviolent adult defendants with successful rehabilitation from the use of drugs and/or alcohol. The Bucks County Recovery Court began in 2010 and has a 65% graduation rate. Graduates of the program have been successful in many aspects of their lives, including getting jobs, continuing education, reconciling with family members, and living healthier, more satisfying lives. The treatment court approach provides a holistic approach that takes into consideration special situations that can pose challenges, such as the effects that evolved from the COVID-19 pandemic and its aftermath.
So I think every part of treatment court is important. Every aspect of it, down to the probation officers you have, and the judges, the resource representatives, the support team you have, all that's necessary. Those who are battling addiction or sobriety, treatment court is the best way to go.
My way was not working any longer. And other people helped push me in the right direction. They guided me. And then my mentality changed eventually to just like, I have to do this, to like, I want to do this. Life is better this way. I mean, quite literally learned how to live being on this program.
My other option was to go to prison for 4 to 10 years. It's given me a life that I didn't think was possible after all of the damage that I had done.
Now, let's explore Wellness Court. Bucks County Wellness Court is a partnership between the mental health and criminal justice systems that addresses the specialized needs of individuals with a serious mental illness diagnosis. This approach is proven to reduce your chance of relapsing into criminal behavior and help improve your quality of life by establishing mandatory, comprehensive, community-based treatment and services.
I never admitted I needed the mental health help, but eventually I did admit it, and you guys were there for me. With being sober, I went from maybe I will, maybe I won't, to I will never do it again. Honestly, it saved my life.
You have a good judge who understands mental health and drug addiction. For people who struggle with mental health, it saved my life.
If you are interested in participating in either recovery court or wellness court, please ask your case manager or attorney for an application. In Bucks County, we believe that treatment courts are a meaningful option to connect participants with the services and treatment resources they need to lead healthier, productive lives in their communities, while offering alternatives to incarceration, reduced charges, or reduced or terminated probation.
If you think treatment court might be right for you, talk to your case manager to discuss the benefits and next steps.
If I didn't take this program and I had stayed in the prison system, I don't think I ever would have gotten out. It's a program designed to help you stay sober and to change your life. You just have to be willing to listen and willing to do the work.
It's a wonderful program. It is very strict. However, it provided me with the most amazing support that I still have in my life, even today.
Now, today, I have my own place. I'm out of the legal system completely. I've had the same job for about 1.5 years now that I absolutely love. And I have a great relationship with family that I thought I couldn't get back into good graces with. Friends that had given up on me. Just a really great opportunity.